Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 30C Max. With a large capacity dustbin and powerful motor, the Eufy is a great pick for just about any home. The brand Eufy is a branch of Anchor Innovations founded by Stephen Young in 2011, following his work with Google. The goal of Eufy is to create products that make the smart home simplified, with a focus on accessibility and convenience. The company's devices are designed to easily connect with one another, creating cohesion and coherence in the home, from wireless security systems to robot vacuums and light bulbs. And the RoboVac from Eufy is as smart as it gets when it comes to robot vacuums. It connects to Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as the specifically designed Eufy Home app where you can set cleaning schedules, direct the clean with remote control, receive notifications, and locate your robot. You can easily program boundary strips that the RoboVac will identify using 10 built-in sensors as it uses the bounce method to clean. Number 2. Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This pick auto-detects the difference between carpet and hard floors to give you a complete and hassle-free clean. Our favorite robot vacuum and mop hybrid is the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. This state-of-the-art device is designed with LiDAR navigation, reactive artificial intelligence, and structured light 3D scanning to help it map out your home and cover steer clear of obstacles like shoes and toys. The Roborock also provides a powerful suction of 5100 power. The mopping function, meanwhile, incorporates sonic vibration technology, which allows it to scrub up to 3000 times a minute. That's a lot of time, since it stays charged for up to 3 hours. Just tell the Roborock what you want with Alexa or Google Assistant. Oh, and it's self-cleaning as well. Number 3. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum. The power of a robot vacuum, with a self-emptying feature to eliminate every step of this household task. Specs: the Roomba S9 Plus is iRobot's most powerful vacuum to date and, boy, does it pack a punch. The iRobot company was founded in 1990 by 3 MIT roboticists, Colin Angle, Helen Gaynor, and Rodney Brooks, with the vision of making practical robots a reality. Their first robot vacuum was released in 2002, and they have been consistently adding to and improving this design ever since. This vacuum self-evacuates after each clean at its docking station, which is equipped with a dirt disposal container that can hold up to 60 days of dust and debris. That means you can vacuum every day for almost 2 months without being bothered by multiple trips to the trash can. Number 4. Neato Robotics Botvac D8 Connected. Easily designate which areas you want to be cleaned with the virtual no-go lines and high-tech features on this Neato Robotics pick. The Botvac D8 from Neato Robotics is a great go-to vacuum that can map and store the memory of up to 3 floors in your home for a methodical, planned clean, as well as zone clean specific messes or spills when you tell it to. You can easily draw no-go lines on your phone's touchscreen using the Neato app that the vacuum will automatically learn and follow. It comes equipped with a HEPA filter to capture dust mites and allergens, battery life of up to 100 minutes, a large 0.7-liter dustbin, and a flat edge design for quick and easy corner clean. Additionally, the brush on the D8 is 70% larger than other leading brands, so this vacuum is specifically great for picking up pet hair. Number 5. Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T5. This mop meets vacuum has a long battery life and high-tech features to make your clean as seamless as possible. Ecovacs was established as a company in 1998 with the official Ecovacs Robotics brand created in 2006. They specialize in spatially aware, mobile robots that clean your home, and the Deebot Ozmo is no exception. The Deebot Ozmo T5 from Ecovacs can run for over 3 hours, cleaning up to 3,200 square feet in a single session. Along with the impressive battery life, this vacuum is equipped with Smart Navi 3.0 laser mapping technology to keep track of your home and prevent any missed areas, a high-efficiency filter, and 3 levels of suction power. It connects to your smartphone for a customized clean, and, did we mention? It's also a mop. Yep, This vacuum can also simultaneously mop your floors, recognizing and avoiding carpeted areas as it cleans.